Do you know you can earn over $12 every day by performing simple tasks on tapcent? Yes, tapcent is a combination of games and survey. And tapcent is one of the best surveys for Africans because you don't need VPN to perform your tasks on tapcent. Now, in tapcent, you can be playing games, right? And the least game is around $8, and we have some games that are way above $15. Now, these games, even your kids can play these games. Now, if you are somebody who has passion for mobile games, now this is the right opportunity for you to turn your passion into money making passion, right? Now you have kids, you can give your kids these games to play. We have games that kids can play. I have students who are really making money through playing these games. Now, how do they make money through the games? Please listen. Now, when you play these games, an ad runs. Maybe when you win a game or when you lose a game, there is an ad that will play. So, once that ad is playing, you are making money, right? Now, if you don't want to be playing games, someone like me, who is I'm very busy that I don't have time for games, right? What will you do? What I do personally is that I wait till 12 midnight. So by 12 midnight, this survey will drop. It drops every day. And the survey is between $1.40 to $1.80. It drops every day. It doesn't miss it. Once it is 12:05, it will drop. Right, so you can be doing this every day. Make sure you answer these simple questions. The questions are very simple. You can answer it, and don't be scared to answer any question because you cannot fail a survey question, in the sense that these guys are only looking for your opinion. Survey is all about getting people's opinion. Now, these surveys, these questions can be your personal question, it can be current affairs questions, right? So when it comes, make sure you take these questions and make your money. Now, if you take questions of $1.80 daily for 30 days, you will agree with me that you'll be making close or over $50 in a month, right? So this is very simple. All you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store and download tapcent and start making your money, right? So if you need more practical videos, you can check the comment section for my YouTube channel. Go to my YouTube channel and watch more videos on so many other things one can also do to make money, genuine things to make money online. All right, so see you for the next update.